Am I hooked on properly? Look at mine, look at mine.
Am I hooked
Oh,
on?
I'm not sure actually.
It doesn't look like that you're hooked on. This is scary, Tyler.
What the shit? Oh, fuck.
Oh, it's fast.
That was close. Oh, that is fast. Holy crap.
Whoa. It's like reverse.
Oh, hell no. Oh, screw this. Screw this.
Oh, gee, your game.
Oh, don't let go.
Oh, that is scarier. Oh, look at him. Are we nearly there? Yeah. Okay.
I reckon
Oh.
I can hold on if this falls.
Oh. No, I couldn't.
No, I don't reckon I could.
You don't reckon you could walk?
Hold on.
No. Oh,
Oh.
please tell me they double check it.
They do, and there's a safety latch, though.
Is there?
Yeah.
Where?
I only saw one person putting
Oh
them
yeah,
on.
there is. Mummy can't be easy, I'm done.
Shut up.
Oh.
Oh, God. Oh, no.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
I like going forward better.
Oh, yeah, this is much
My eyes. Oh, my eyes. Oh, yeah. I'm so bored.
Do you reckon you can touch that tree there? Touch the top of the tree.
I reckon it's too far away.
No, I think you can. Look, you can get that.
Oh, I
easy.
can. I can.
No.
Oh,
You shorty.
so close.
Oh. Oh, that was so good.
Backwards is scarier.
Yeah, going forward is better.
Oh, it's so slow. I'm shaking.
Yeah, I think it's the anticipation.
Yeah.
And if it's going to hold, like, we're not going to fall out.
Taking your hands off was scary.
Oh, no, that was fun. Not that they would have held me on either.
Oh.